The Alloyman 20V Cordless Tiller gives you true grab-and-go convenience, letting you work far from outlets without dragging extension cords through the yard. Its high-speed motor and four sturdy steel tines churn soil quickly across a generous working width and depth, so bed preparation and aeration feel surprisingly fast for a compact tool. The machine is light in weight with an adjustable auxiliary handle and comfortable main grip, which makes it easy to control and less tiring to use over longer gardening sessions. A two-step safety control that requires both a lock button and trigger helps prevent accidental starts, adding reassurance when you are working around pets or family. Two included lithium-ion batteries with built-in protection electronics provide solid runtime and can be swapped on the fly, keeping you working instead of waiting for a recharge. Detachable tine assemblies make it straightforward to clear wrapped roots or weeds after use, and the tiller handles everything from loosening raised beds to refreshing compacted patches of lawn.